Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to activate Bluetooth on PlayStation 5 controller. Let's go. Hold down the Create and PlayStation buttons at the same time. Is the controller flashing blue? Pairing mode is enabled. Don't forget to disconnect the controller from the console. That's it. Now you know how to activate Bluetooth on PlayStation 5 controller. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.